Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be getting a very important information for our JAMB registration. I don't know whether you've heard about the latest news that without the national identity card you cannot be able to register for JAMB. It is so true. NIN, without your NIN, national identity card number, you cannot be able to register for JAMB. So what are you supposed to do if you are intending to do JAMB for the 2020? You are supposed to get your national identity card, or you're supposed to get your national identity card number, your NIN. So how do you go about getting it? This is their official website, NIMC.gov.ng. This is what you need: the 11 digits unique number for the NIN. And if you want to, you can easily walk into any of the NIN offices. They are spread across the whole country to get your NIN. If you want to make the work easier, you can also get to this website and click on this pre-enrollment portal and fill in some of your details before going to their office to do the main registration. So you're supposed to do that if you want to write JAMB next year. The best time to do it is now, so that by next year you'll be relaxed. You just go for your registration and it will be done. So instead of waiting till next year to go get it, it's better you start getting your JAMB. Okay, the portal is not working now, so it's in network, but just walk into any of any national identity management commission office very close to you and get your NIN. Very important. Even if your ID card is not available, you can simply get the NIN. There's one leaflet they print for you once they are done with your registration, and that leaflet contains your national identity number, NIN. So please try and get that and get ready for your JAMB. Once you get that, the next thing for you is to visit JAMB.com. That is what you're supposed to visit next. You can see www.JAMB.com. This is where you can be getting lessons that will prepare you to write the JAMB and pass. And this website will bring you all the information you need for your JAMB. We also give you lectures and past questions for you to pass your JAMB. So it's gonna open up so that you see it. So most important thing now is for you to get to NIN of National Identity Management Commission office close to you and get your NIN, your national identity number, so that you get ready for your JAMB. So once you do that, the next thing is for you to hook up to this website, www.jambwayeknekouni.com. Once you hook up to the website, on this side you can see any subject that you want. JAMB past question for physics. This is video tutorial that teaches you very well. With it you can pass very well. You can scroll down, you can go to mathematics, you can go check out wire past question, English. Anyone you click, then you start getting lectures. So those are the two things you're supposed to do as a somebody that wants to pass JAMB for the 2020 section. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comments section. If you have you can always share this video so that your friends can see them and like them. Like and share our videos. We are very grateful for your support. Thank you.